So now let's see the character teeth customization sliders inside of Adobe Fuse. So over here you can see that I'm in my face, and to work with teeth, first of all, we need to open up the mouth. So I'm going to go to face right over here and then open the mouth right over here, as you can see. So as I actually go up, maybe type in the value, then the mouth will open up just like that, as you can see right over here. So you can see the mouth open just like that. And now you can work around with the teeth. So go on to the teeth right over here, and here you can see that there's different values that you can work with. So let's say, for example, you want to go for lower canine long right over here. So let me add a value around 50 right over here. And there's a bit of a subtle change, as you can see right over here. So let me just go around the teeth backwards. So let me just add in a 50, and I can see that it actually goes around just like that. So let me just go around and zoom in so that you can see the details right over here, just like that. So you can go around and let's say, for example, type in something like 30 right over here, and you can see that that is how it actually works. Like 100, then it becomes very small, as you can see right over here. So let me just go to 0 right over here. Then you can go around and change the values as per what you wish right over here. So there's like teeth up, as you can see. So let me do 50, and it goes up, as you can see. And if you were to do teeth down, then it actually goes down. So you can range out how the teeth actually looks like. So you can see that the teeth is down. So if you want to bring it a bit up, let's say, for example, you can do 20 so that the teeth goes a bit up right over here. There's like teeth underbite over here. So if I were to change that out, you can see that the bottom portion actually changes out. So I can go around, make it a bit bigger right over here, just like that, or make it a bit smaller over here, like go on to the teeth small and so forth. So you can go around, change out, and you can see that the teeth actually changes out in size. So in this case, I just want to increase the size maybe. So I'm just going to go around to 40, or I don't want to change the size at all. I can go into something like 0 itself. So I don't want to change that. You can rotate it out as well, as you can see. So you can rotate it up just like that. And if you don't want to do that, you can rotate it down over here as well, just like that. So you want to go for that kind of a look, you can do that. Teeth overbite, so 50 right over there. So you can see that the top portion actually gets adjusted once I do that right over here, just like that. And there's the teeth front gap right over here. So something like 10, and you can see that the teeth is like a crooked symbol right over here. Do 5 right over here, or do 20 just like that. And you can see that this is more like a crooked look, just like that. You can also go into the front gap right over here, just like that. So there's like a gap over here, as you can see, just like that as well. So let me just go to 0 because I do not want that. Teeth forward, so you can bring your teeth forward as well, or just like that, you can work around with it. So I don't want to do that. So there's teeth down, so do 50, and you can see that the teeth goes down. And just like that, it arranges out. There's like teeth crooked right over here. So there's like crooked teeth, as you can see, and you can increase the value all the way up till 100, as you can see right over here. And you got a crooked teeth right over there. So similarly, there's teeth chipped, so 100, and there's like a chipped teeth as if it's a baby tooth right over there, just like that as well. And there's a teeth buck, as you can see right over here, and you can increase it as if it's a bunny teeth right over there. So that's how you can actually work around with different sort of options in teeth inside of Adobe Fuse. You can also randomize this into different sections, as you can see right here, or reset it all together, as you can see, and work around with the bits you want. So that is how you can work around with the teeth option inside of Adobe Fuse. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.